Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm at the Planet Fitness. I'm about to do my workout. We're in the parking lot. I'm so excited because I'm getting back into my fitness. Like, it's been a few days. Doing a lot. I was doing a lot of partying, and then that kind of contributed to me kind of falling off for the rest of the week. So it's Friday now. This is the first day that I'm going actually back to the gym since last Saturday, and I'm hoping it will be a good session. I think I forgot my phone. Oh no, it's here. It's my pocket. Okay. So I told you guys earlier in a previous video that I am doing the Nissa Fit. I believe that's her name, Nissa Fit. She has her own personal training program, so I'm on her program. So today is Friday. I have a band. I don't know if you guys can see. I have a band hit workout, and an upper body session today. But earlier in the week, I didn't have the opportunity to do my other workouts. So I basically skipped ab day, and I skipped another band hit workout. So my plan is to just go into the gym and pick up where I left off, and that means I'm gonna do abs today. I'm gonna do abs, and I'm gonna do like a band hit workout. I'm gonna try my best to record it. This is my first time recording with this camera at this gym, and it's almost 12 o'clock right now, so I feel like there's gonna be a lot of people, and I don't like record. I don't know, I've never recorded before with so many people, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I get some good footage for you guys, okay? So here I am at the gym. I'm just setting up a playlist so I can have some music to listen to. And this is my first step when I'm trying to get back into the gym after not going for a few days. I need to get motivated. I need to get inspired, and I need to feel pumped up in order to start my workout. Next thing I like to do is to set up my equipment, meaning getting everything that I need. I like to choose a corner in the gym where I'm by myself. Ideally, I like to go when there's not that many people. So for you, that might be really early in the morning or late at night. So here I'm just showing you guys the fitness program that I'm on. And this video is not sponsored, by the way, but I personally feel like, especially when you have fallen off of your fitness journey, sometimes you feel like you need guidance and you just don't know where to start. And I think following a fitness guide can really help you if you can afford it, or if that's something that you're interested in. Definitely look into maybe someone that inspires you. It doesn't even have to be a paid video to follow. You can find somebody on YouTube that inspires you, and watch their videos and have that guide you throughout your workouts. Here I am. I just started and I'm already tired. I don't know if you guys can tell in the video. Your girl was tired of these jump squats? Damn, they were killing me. I was like, it's way, way too hot for this, and took that shit off. So I just wanted to chat with you guys and put a disclaimer out there. I am by no means a professional. I'm just a girl that's putting myself out there and sharing with you guys my fitness journey. This is my journey. And I know it's the new year and many people are trying to lose weight or they're trying to gain muscle. And I thought, maybe this video can inspire somebody to get out of their comfort zone. I have, in 2021, I first started my fitness journey and I ended up losing quite a bit of weight. I went from this to this, and I lost some weight, and I was really excited about that, and I was loving and feeling myself. And now I'm trying to get back on track, and I know sometimes it's nice to see someone who is not your typical fitness guru share their experience. So yeah, that's kind of my aim with this video, and just making fitness videos and just sharing my journey with you, because I'm just a regular girl. I'm not no fitness guru. I sometimes go to the gym and don't know what I'm doing, but I still make it there, and I still try, and I'm still trying to work towards a goal every step of the way, and I think that's all that matters. So if you are someone who is embarking on some type of weight loss journey, some type of fitness journey, just know I feel you, and I feel the struggle, and I know that it can be hard when you first start, or if you've fallen off and it's been like months or weeks or even years. Your first day back in the gym might feel like hell. Like, I was literally dying. I'm probably not even in proper I know I'm not in proper form when I'm doing this workout, but I was trying, and that's all that matters. I apologize in advance for how some of these clips look really blurry or poorly lit. My gym was just really dark, and I think my camera was having a really hard time with focusing, but nevertheless. So how my workouts were structured, it was usually 12 to 20 reps and then 30 seconds off. So I would complete it for this exercise like 20 reps and then take a break for 30 seconds and then do it again. So I do that for a set of 3. So I do 3 sets on and off in total, and then move on to the next exercise. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, because I will be doing a follow-up video showing you guys my results after doing this workout program for a total of 6 weeks, and I'm going to do a mini review on my thoughts on the guide through the Nessa Fit guide. So don't forget to stay tuned for that. Hey guys, I'm back in my car. I just finished my workout. I feel like I was there for definitely over an hour. So I was there probably for like an hour and a half to like, it feels like I was there for 2 hours, honestly. Normally it doesn't take me that long, but I think I really struggled this week with the workout. Like, I really struggled doing the workout. Sorry, my face. Yeah, I really struggled for some reason doing this workout. I think it's because I took a few days off, and so my body was just kind of in rest mode, and then like I just went into it and I wasn't used to it, so it was a bit of a shock. And I also think because my workouts for this week also switched up. My trainer switched it up. So I think also because of that. But I made it through, and I think that's all that matters. And I just wanted to say that, like, there's going to be days that I realize that there's going to be days when I'm going to have a good day, and there's going to be days when I'm going to have a bad day in the gym, like, where I feel like I'm struggling more than usual. And it's okay. The fact that I made it to the gym in the first place is all that matter. All that matters, you know, at least doing something is better than not doing anything at all. And I think over time, the accumulation of all the time that I've spent into the gym will just add up and result until my fitness goals result, if that makes sense, you know? Like, all the hard work that I'm putting in overall is going to get me to the end. So that's just my thought on that. I'm really hungry, so I have to do some errands, and then I'm gonna go home, make something real quick. I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog that. But yeah, so I might actually vlog that. I'm not sure. But yeah, at the end, I ended up doing like a 15-minute walk because I felt like during the workout, I really struggled. So there were certain things that I skipped, and so I kind of wanted to make back up for that by doing the walk. So that was it. But overall, I feel good. I feel good. I'm about to eat, so I got a little bit of toast. So I have 2 pieces of toast, a slice of tomato, and I have a bowl of, this is tuna. I know it doesn't look like appetizing right now. I'm gonna mix it all together. It's just tuna fish, light mayo, some seasonings, onion and spinach. I chopped up some spinach, threw it in there. I'm gonna slap it on the bread and make a sandwich and put the tomato in between, and it's gonna be just a quick lunch, like a quick something quick, you know. So yeah, that's it.